everyone, it's Kasia from Tarot Map, and I'm on the roll of filming some reviews, and I went straight away for the nature-based decks. You know, I love nature, I love walking, I love traveling. So this is the review of the Faceted Garden Oracle by Mack. And she is the creator of the Illuminated Earth Oracle as well, so that was like the first deck she made. Now she has just, you know, published the Faceted Garden, the Illuminated Earth. You can check out my review on it before. So this is how the cards looked. These were the backs. There was no gilding. The paper was different. It was really great actually in feel. I didn't mind it at all, just no gilding. And the artwork was maybe a little bit less intricate in some way, than bit more painting like than the new Oracle, but of course similar because it's original art by Claire, so it's amazing. I love her art. So this was the box, and that was the first deck. You can see the Oracle, I mean the review. And now we have the second one, the faceted Garden, and it's 50 cards Oracle of metaphor and symbolism by nature, right? Nature symbolism. So in the previous deck we had a little white book. Here we have just the pamphlet, but Claire's descriptions are quite to the point, so short ones, short inspiration, and like you are meant to, you know, decipher the cards for yourself anyway. So this is just the kind of the inspiration for you. And this is how the box looks. It's beautiful, beautiful, feels good, really, again, top quality. Amazing gilding, like Shimmering Veil Tarot, the new edition. I actually really love it, and different paper to the other one. So Claire wrote me that, you know, you won't be able to, I mean, it's a little bit different, the size it's a little bit different, very similar, but she said that because of the gilding the cards are a little bit smaller. But you wouldn't really kind of, I mean, you could if you wanted to, even like it's not such a big difference, it's just like maybe a millimeter or something, so you can connect them, but I probably won't. I kind of enjoy them being a separate deck. So 50 cards in this one. Lovely colors, lovely idea again. Let's make it a little bit closer. And these are the backs. So beautiful. I just love her art, so I'm excited. You have 4 cards for seasons, so we've got summer, winter, fall, love the mushrooms, and spring. It's beautiful. And yeah, her cards are quite multi-layered, so you kind of can, you know, discover different things when you start looking into them again, which is great for intuitive reading, because, you know, sometimes you're drawn to the middle part, sometimes you're drawn to this and you go, what is it, you know, sometimes you're drawn to the leaves and so on. So there's many things you can kind of catch up upon, and to inspire your intuitive reading. And now I'm just going to go through these amazing cards. I think some of them, like for example, I think like I just picked these 3. So some of the keywords, because it's deck based on like natural world, the keywords are not as maybe day-to-day keywords as you would have in some other oracle decks, like, and some like these 3 for me are very kind of, especially this lotus one, it's quite general, so you really have to like work for it, you know, figure out what it means to you, lotus. So yes, it could be about spiritual evolution, it can be about you know, growing out from the mud and so on. Let's see what she wrote about lotus. So she says, symbol of enlightenment, a flower whose roots reside in murky water, but which blooms with purity and perfection and strong will to survive and thrive. So that's very nice. The last sentence especially, you know, you can take it as a strength card, or, you know, to have strength to grow out of some uncomfortable situation and so on. Weather also, we know that weather is changeable, right? That it shifts, it changes, could symbolize that. But as I mean, like watershed, I'm curious what she wrote about this one. So some of them you have to really think about, you know, it's not like the easiest. It says collection of resources, flow, network, gathering of energy from multiple sources toward a common goal, symbolic of financial gain. Okay, so what I like in the little pamphlet, that she does bring it into the regular life, because obviously, you know, it would be hard to maybe I mean, you could maybe feel like, you know, this could be heaps of money, right? Like the little, and they coming down to you. So, but yeah, you have to look. So some are easier, and these ones were the most maybe general. Seeds, obviously wonderful for interpreting. There's only one moon card, the new moon, which I love. It's gorgeous. Scarecrow. I had a dream once when I was doing a dream workshop at some point in Australia, and I had a dream with Scarecrow, and the Scarecrow said, it just stands there but serves a purpose, or it does nothing but it serves the purpose. And I still remember this meditation and this dream and this sentence, it does nothing but it serves the purpose. You know, the Scarecrow just standing. It's interesting. Fountain, light. To us, the artwork is just stunning. The whole quality of this deck is amazing. It's just a pleasure to, you know, pull out of the box, touch it. It's amazing. The paper is great. It's this beautiful morning song. Mineral realm. There's also a card for gemstones. Nocturnus, that could be a cool dream card or astrology card, or comet, you know, there's so many different ways you can go with interpreting this. Nest. Mycelium, I love that she had this card. It's such a 2021 Jupiter conjunction Saturn in Aquarius card. Anomaly, love this. Humanity. Ref. Animal allies or allies. Perennial. Passage. Metamorphosis. There's not many humans, but I think whatever human form appears, it is dark-skinned. I think there's only this one and one where there's two human hands. Cactus. Herbal allies, love it. Entropy or entropy. Cultivation. But that's one. Union. Core. That's so cool. I love that kind of volcanic. Oh no, there's one more. Consciousness, which is kind of more white. Celestial realm. Cave. I love this. After my visit to the caves in Croatia, it's one of my favorite cards now. Gate with Ouroboros. Oh, there's another one. Sorry, I was lying. Thorns. So maybe there's 2 and 2. It's definitely not many humans, but there you go. Foe. I love that one. Terrarium. Sun with marigolds. Gorgeous. Spade. Star. Wood. Wild card. Oh, there's a human. Bloom. Birth. Pillar. Entwined. Pollinator. And gemstones, the last one. So that's the how much was it? 48 or 50? 50 cards. 50 cards. It doesn't feel very... So the paper is really great. Let's see if we can shuffle it, even though the gilding, so you might be wary. Yeah, shuffle is great. Make it worse with bridging because of the gilding. But I love that gilding. It's so cool. So if we just want to pull one for us. Watershed, we had that. Okay, abundance is coming our way. Let's pull another one. And the sun. I like it. This oracle loves us. It wants to give us like a really wonderful wonderful messages. So watershed, we said we had the abundance flowing, right, and financial gain. And the sun says passion, creativity, courage and strength. A central figure who brings unity, warmth and a sense of uplifting energy to the heart. So that's wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this gorgeous deck, and I know that some of you have it, and I love it. I love Claire's work. I also want to invite her for an interview because I'm curious about her creative process, how she goes about creating the art. And she's definitely inspired by nature, because I see her pictures on Instagram as well, nature pictures, just regular ones, and they're amazing usually. So the Faceted Garden Oracle, really great, really great. If you like nature decks, you will enjoy this one. So thank you for watching. Much love. See you later. Bye.